In this video I'm showing how to fix an issue in Windows 10 where PDFs open in Microsoft Edge instead of Adobe Acrobat. If I open up this PDF here, you can see that it opens up in the Edge browser. I can even click on the Open a New Tab button and it goes out to the MSN homepage. Luckily it's a pretty simple change to get the PDFs to open up in Adobe Acrobat again, and I'll show how to do that now. Just go ahead and close out of any PDFs that you have opened up, and then right click on any PDF file and select Properties. You can see this Opens With field here is set to Microsoft Edge. To change that, we just have to click on Change. I have both Acrobat Reader and Adobe Acrobat installed, but in this demonstration, I'll just select Adobe Acrobat Reader and click on OK, and then click on OK again. And you can see the icon over the file here has now kind of changed so that it has the Adobe PDF logo. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the file to open it. And you can see the PDF file now opens up successfully in Adobe Reader. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. If you have the same issue, hit the like button if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.